Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to move USDT from unified trading to funding on Bybit in 2025. If you're trading on Bybit, you know how important it is to manage your funds efficiently, especially with the platform's updates for better security and user experience. Whether you're preparing for a big trade or just organizing your wallet, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bybit account. If you haven't already, head to the Bybit website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Unified Trading section. This is where your trading balances are held, so look for it in the main dashboard or sidebar menu. Next, locate your USDT balance. You'll see a list of your assets. Click on USDT to select it. Now, find the transfer option. Bybit has made this super straightforward. There should be a Transfer or Move Funds button nearby. Click that, and it will prompt you to choose the destination account. Select Funding Account as your target. This is where your non-trading funds are stored for safer keeping. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. After that, review the details, including any potential fees. Bybit might charge a small network fee, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button to process the transfer. It usually takes just a few seconds to a minute for the funds to appear in your funding account, depending on network congestion. To verify, go back to your dashboard and check the funding section. You should see your USDT balance updated there. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on your Bybit account to add an extra layer of security. And remember, with Bybit's 2025 updates, things might look a bit different, so if you run into any issues, check their help center or support chat. There you have it. That's how you move USDT from unified trading to funding on Bybit. It's a simple process that can save you time and hassle. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.